Alright, y'all, we got a new build here. So if you don't know, my buddy wrecked the mess out of this thing. It's a 2019 Outlander XMR. And well, we're about to throw a CATVOS 6-inch lift and some 35-inch BKTs on it. So y'all be ready. Well, guys, we got the lift on. We got a little bit more clearance than I had. Makes the old Renegade look kind of smaller now, but you know, gotta mess with that brake line though. Got some new floorboards to put on too. It's gonna be nice. Whoa. Got it done, got the floorboards installed. Yup. Looking good. Pretty big. Can't have money. A little Renegade.